Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.exchange. The markets opened gap up, and the gap up was sustained throughout the day. The Bank Nifty has outperformed. The Bank Nifty has actually moved 2,500 points in last 5 trading sessions as of yesterday, and today, who would thought it can move another 1,000 points? At the highest point, I think Bank Nifty was up about 1,200 points. So this is a fantastic rally of 3,500 points in just 6 trading sessions. And Nifty is almost 1,700 points higher from the recent low. So looks like the way Bank Nifty is outperforming, it looks like RBI rate cut is coming. Especially in the first week of April, there may be some RBI meeting. And because on April 2nd, there's a Trump problem is coming. So if anything he does, just to counter that shock, maybe RBI may cut the rates. Today, the PSU Bank Index is the best performing index. So you know very well. Reliance Industries, HDFC Bank and Kotak Bank, these 3 stocks contributed for more than 100 points for Nifty's rally. So this was a broad-based rally. And I can tell you how good was the rally. Nobody could believe the rally. And everybody thought, this is unbelievable. So market will definitely correct. At least 100, 200 points. At least it will correct. So that is why the put premiums did not come down at all. But call premiums keep increasing, but put premiums are not coming. People just cannot believe this rally. So as a result, what happens? The India VIX shot up 10%. So, when the market is going higher, India VIX is going higher. So that means, people are not just able to digest this rally. When everybody was so bearish, including myself, I was also so bearish until last week. And suddenly, every day Nifty is moving 300 points, every day Bank Nifty moving 500,000 points. Is a non-stop nonsense for 6 trading sessions, So, naturally the India VIX is bound to go higher. Looking at the open interest, so there was an unwinding, huge unwinding across the board in call options. Now the 24,000 call only is getting added into open interest. Put option across the board writing, even the 23,500 put option has seen the highest open interest today. So looks like, the way the markets are moving, I told you technically the next stop is 23,800. So that is just only about 100 points away from here. And we still have 3 more trading sessions. So 3 more trading sessions, 100 points is nothing. So it can be taken out easily. So which means that basically the 50% Fibonacci retracement of the entire fall. So that's somewhere around 24,000 to 24,100. So that may be the next target. So after a long time, the call buyers are just enjoying, every day they buy call for 10 rupees, it goes to 100 rupees. So this is last few days is a golden opportunity for option buyers. Whereas, call writers especially, they are just struggling, right? Because the market was so bearish, people left, right and center, they sold call options. Now when the market is moving like this, their MTM loss will be unmanageable. So all is well with the market right now. As expected, the put call ratio also increased to 1.16, but not anywhere close to a dangerous level. And depending upon the US market, as long as I said, as long as the Trump is not speaking anything, the markets will go higher, right? So, but anyway, so we are somewhere near the upper end of the trading range. So here taking a long position is very, very difficult. But any intraday fall 100, 150 points, so that's the time to sell some far out of the money put options. So now the put side, the support is being increasing. The first it was 22,000, then it was 22,800, and then now 23,300. So 23,300 it will be a very good support as of now, because that is where the February series started. February series started around 23,200. It went to 23,800, then crashing all the way to below 22,000. Now, so that February month high, 23,800, which is just only 100 point away. So that it can be taken out if everything goes well. And so remember, when everything is well, that is a time to sell. When everything is bad, that is a time to buy. So looks like, normal bull market will go gradually higher, but not like this, very fast and furious. So bull market corrections are fast and furious. Short covering rallies are also fast and furious. So therefore, don't get, don't think that this is a bull market. So this is definitely not a bull market. So shorts, the huge shorts for the last 6 months, FII is having huge shorts. Those shorts are being covered, right? So rest of the things we will discuss tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.